Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Hung Hom right now and time to do a full journey up to Lowu today. And also we're trying out our new phone, so let's do it. Yes, we're trying out our new phone because I just got my mom's old phone, which is actually an iPhone 12, so let's see how that goes. And also there's actually the shades that actually protects other people from seeing from an angle, so that's why it might also help out with actually filming, that people hopefully can't see what the hell am I doing. And also turn down the light intensity, so hopefully overall it helps out. So yes, all the way up to Lowu today from Hung Hom. Now you guys might be thinking, this is not a full journey. Yes, I know. But there is no change for the Admiralty and Exhibition Center station section underground crossing harbour. No change. It's just after here for all of these overground stations, all of these original East Rail Line stations, all platform gates has been installed. So that's why that is what we want to check out and feel the new East Rail Line with a full journey all the way up to Lowu today. So we are going to Shenzhen, so that's why we're not like bullshitting today. So that's why. And it's been like how long since I actually did a journey video on Hong Kong MTR, so let's do it. We're in the first car here, D051, so D049, D051 here for this train, going to Lowu. The last train was actually a typo market train, so that's why. Next station, Mongkok East. Now I hope I actually still remember the announcements, but let's see how this iPhone feels compared with the old one. Definitely should be better because this one is like around 5 years, I think. The other one that I used before was 10 years. So it just depends whether I can actually upload videos from this phone smoothly. Hopefully it is. It's just the same thing, using directly from the iPhone YouTube app and go straight through. And actually, want to say is Mongkok East is the last station to have all gates installed. I thought it's gonna be University, but no, University completed like as the second or third last station, but Mongkok East is the last station to complete all platform gates, considering there are 3 platforms. This feels so weird. I'm really not used to Mongkok East having all platform gates, and there goes the chance of actually spotting good trains here now, before you can see the curve, but no more. Platform gates are all up. But the worst one is University Station with the entire platform, so let's get on board. I mean, let's get on board. We'll pause the video, of course. That's the gap there. Terrible. Hạ一站九龍塘，乘客可以轉乘觀塘線。下一站九龍塘，乘客可以換乘觀塘線。Next station, Kowloon Tong. Actually, I don't remember the announcement for that one.
Next station, Kowloon Tong. Interchange station for the On Tong line.
And Kowloon Tong, it has been full platform gates really last time when I came back, but it's just the overall full journey experience. Because before we've definitely filmed full journey, but at that time there's like no platform gates, so that's why. Yeah, Kowloon Tong.
Stand back from the train doors.
Yes, all announcements for the stations has been changed to the new arriving announcements, and also they have all been saying platform gates now, so that's why. New one is basically the train to Lowu is arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line and mind the gap after the automatic platform gates opened.
本插台已轉乘馬線。下一站大圍，乘客可以換乘屯馬線。Next station, Tai Wai. Interchange station for the Tunma line.
Now we will film some Shenzhen Metro videos if it is unique. If it's just line 1 the entire day, I'm not gonna do anything. Because I'm not going specifically out of the way to just take some stuff this time, so not feeling it. Now the only thing I want to take maybe is line 13, but we'll see. That's an MTR Shenzhen line, so. And Tai Wai. Now Tai Wai has been full platform gates. It's just basically, I don't think, yeah, it's just experience it. It's so weird now with full platform gates for this section. That was a really fast door closing. So one problem with the platform gates is it does not time with the train doors at all. Oh! Next station, Shatin.
Next station, Shatin.
stopping spots for this train could be a little bit better. Yesterday I actually had a train that actually is like textbook. It's directly in the middle when it stops. 下一站火炭，右邊嘅車門將會打開。下一站火炭，右邊的車門將會打開。Next station, Fotan. Doors will open on the right.
右边的车门将会打开。Next station, Rotem. Doors will open on the right.
Fortune is on the right, so we're not going to turn.
Please mind the gap.
Oh, still remember in the past when there's actually still actually no R trains running. I mean, some of the R trains may be still running, may have already been running, but they actually park some of the not ready R trains at the tracks in there. That's one of their cargo areas that you can see their tracks there. So that's where they park some of the not ready to go, like not assembled R trains, and then they get ready to send them into like somewhere and get them assembled. And also with this iPhone, I can finally do pauses on this iPhone. Before I cannot, so that's why I have to just keep on cutting and then starting the video clip again, and then I need to use iMovie to edit. So hopefully now I can reduce the amount of iMovie usage. And I can just use the pause on the phone to reduce this editing. 下一站大學，下一站大學。Next station, University. Here's the worst station now with platform gates. Not even joking, it's terrible. It's so bad with platform gates. You cannot even see anything anymore at the station. You cannot see the curve, literally cannot. You have to like reach over the platform gates in order to see clearly with the train spotting, but that's just life. And here we are entering University Station. Actually, when I'm filming this video, yesterday I just did the University Station video premiere. It's pretty funny. And when I filmed that thing, there was like no platform gates, so that's why. Now with full platform gates, so you can see how it looks. It's absolutely dreadful. It's so bad. You see a lot of the doors, they actually have to put the sticker on there. You can see the yellow stickers saying, please mind the gap, because it's terrible. So that's why. Mostly it's the doors in the middle there. The middle cars. Oh, we got a non-service train on the other side there. So you see, our door has the yellow thing because it's, oh my gosh. So, let's see how bad it is. Yep, look at that. Terrible. Oh my gosh. You see, he's even bigger than my foot. You see, it's literally my foot. So, my foot is 43, size 43. I actually have no idea how you guys go back there, but size 43 for my shoe. And then it's like fitting perfectly in it. 下一站大埔墟，右邊嘅車門將會打開。下一站大埔墟，右邊的車門將會打開。Next station, Taipo Market. Doors will open on the right. Now I want to say is, they actually never fixed this pronunciation of the Mandarin because it's actually wrong. It's 大埔墟, not 大埔墟. They actually never actually changed the announcement, which they actually have the same character for Whampoa, but they're pronouncing it as Huangpu. So it's correct for Whampoa, but the pu, that one, is the same word as the Taipo Market Po. And they never fixed the Taipo Market announcement. So that's really unfortunate. Now, of course, KMB is pronouncing everything correctly in terms for their announcements, like Taipo Market Station. But MTR never fixed their announcement, so they really should consider actually fixing that. And here we are going through. Now, they still don't have the plan of actually building Pak Shek Kok Station, like right here for Pak Shek Kok. But it is like one of the plans, but hasn't been initiated or anything. They are finishing off Kowloon Station very soon. So that's why Kowloon Station practically is almost not like almost finished, but like the platform structure is pretty much there. They're getting the exits ready, and after that it will open for Israel Line services. Now at that time I will not be doing the station video immediately because I will wait until Northern Link opens, then I will do the station video, because if not it's just stupid. I need to do it again when Northern Link opens. So Northern Link is scheduled to open in like 2030, so that's why that will be a long time. But Kowloon Station will open very soon now, hopefully within like maybe, I don't know, but if they're getting ready then it should be within 2 to 3 years hopefully. So first ever built-in station for MTR to open probably. I'm not going to do the station video yet, but I will fill in the playlist for trains. That one's just the part of the Lok Ma Chau branch. Then Lok Ma Chau branch hopefully will increase in frequency, but I'm not so sure about that. Because it's not the main point of the branch is still just go to Lok Ma Chau. It's just they have built a Kowloon station ready for interchange station, which is going to be so cool having an interchange station all the way up there. And like I still have no idea what trains they're going to use for Northern Link, but I just like make a joke saying that it might be like a 3-car Q train or something like that. Because for sure they're not going to use 8-car trains for that line. What's the point of using 8-car trains for Northern Link? Considering I bet the entire Northern Link is going to be underground. But it's pointless to do Northern Link 8-car trains, considering it's running rural towns. It's literally serving rural towns. I'm not even joking. It's between Kam Sheung Road and Kowloon Tong. Kam Sheung Road itself is already rural, and then it's go through Ngao Tam Mei, I think, and also San Tin, which all these are rural towns. Literally no one even knows about them. And then connects with Kowloon Tong, which Kowloon Tong itself is also a rural town, so like the entire lake is just rural towns. But it will compete with KMB and CTB for their services, because right now they are dominating between Sheung Shui areas and also Kam Sheung Road and Yuen Long, because it's terrible if you take back down and go back up with the trains. So that's why KMB is running really nicely with their services, but after that Northern Link comes in, probably everyone's going to take toward Northern Link. But there are still buses that actually runs Northern Highway straight to Tuen Mun instead of actually going to Kam Sheung Road, so those routes probably still have people taking. Taipo Market Station. Doors on the right. And also the Taipo Market terminating train still in the middle platform. This journey is going to be hopefully within 35 minutes, considering I'm cutting out every stopping times and all that stuff. Hopefully this phone actually feels better than the other phone. I'm not feeling it really being better. 下一站泰和，下一站太和。Next station Taiwo. Now this time we're gonna film daytime into Lowu with an R-Train. Last time we did it with at nighttime, which you guys cannot even see anything. So last time we did it at nighttime from Lowu back to Sheung Shui, but this time we're gonna do it from bottom here, going upwards, and in daytime to Lowu as well. So that's why you can see how Lowu looks like. And full platform doors as well. Full platform gates. Last time there were like no platform gates at Lowu. Next station Fanling. Well, I was just down there filming the bus route yesterday. That route was miserable, so now also this is my first time filming with this new iPhone, so let's see how that goes. Really actually looking forward to see how the effects looks like, but screw that. Yeah, screw that, man.
台风威胁，请小心月台的空气。Please mind the gap.
And Fanling. I still remember filming that daytime video with MRR into Lowu. I started from Fanling, so
From the train door.
now, if you want to save money, it's best to actually exit at Sheung Shui and then exit the gates and then come back in. Then you can save like $5, but whatever. We're doing full journey videos, so that's why. But if you're feeling it, then you can do that, okay? 下一站上水，下一站上水。Next station 上水。本班列車以羅湖為尾站，前往落馬洲嘅乘客請喺上水轉車。本班列車的終點以羅湖為終點站，前往落馬洲的乘客請在上水轉車。This train will stop service at Lowu. Passengers for Lok Ma Chau should please change trains at Sheung Shui.
請小心月台空威脅，請小心月台的空氣。Please mind the gap.
And then usually there should be a menu announcement from the driver from here. And this is where the train probably is going to get packed. It's not very full right now at the front car, but it might get packed here. Oh boy. Yep, we're going to get packed. Let's get going. Let's ready. Yep, we're packed. Let's going. Let's get going. 下一站羅湖，下一站羅湖。Next station 羅湖。本班列車以羅湖為尾站，往落馬洲嘅乘客請返回上水轉車。本班列車終點站是羅湖，前往落馬洲的乘客請回到上水轉車。This train will stop service at Lowu. Passengers for Lok Ma Chau should return and change trains at Sheung Shui. There's the tunnel for Lok Ma Chau. And you can see the Lok Ma Chau branch is going to the left, that's where it goes. And then Kowloon Station's along that path there. And we're continuing straight. We also have actually a little bit of a travel destination over here. This is actually one of the cool spots for taking photos, which is with these water pipes, which you can access by cycling over here or just walk from Sheung Shui. There's cycling tracks along the whole path here, and you can also see the trains. You can see along, so it's a pretty good spot for taking photos. And Shenzhen is literally just back there. Yep, this is the spot where I said there's the water pipes. We also have a Lowu depot. I don't think they call it Lowu depot. Maybe like a Lowu like dockyard or something like that. There's Shenzhen right there. So see all of the high-rise buildings. So here's a little bit of dockyard, which this little yard there, which this idea is just like waterfall. Oh, MRR! One car of an MRR E114. Nice, there it goes. Very nice. It's just like waterfall, because waterfall is the terminus for T4 in Sydney, and you see locomotive running shed, and then they put some of the stuff there, and then before you enter the station at Lowu. Between the train and the platform. We're not exiting on the left, we're exiting on the right because that's the arrival side. So why there's no one here? Oh, because the outside there's a train. I was like, why there's no one here? Might be people waiting. I actually haven't used this side to enter for a long time. It's always been the other side platform when we come back. So. And get off time. And here we are at Lowu. Drivers exiting to change tracks. Doors should close. Actually, there should be another driver on the outside, so that's how it is. And now tracks actually continue, which you can actually, I mean, it doesn't go anywhere now because these trains are not allowed, but in the past, there's actually another track on the outside there. That's for the straight through trains to go, just basically cross the border straight to Lowu on that side there. So that's how they cross. And we have the train right there, going back to Admiralty. Tesla's already ready, wow. But that's the full journey there with our train and full platform gates to Lowu. Not really full journey because I didn't start from Admiralty, but that's actually no change, so that's why. Maybe wait for a door close. And we'll end the video. It should close very soon. Up there that goes. And that's it. Till then guys, take it easy. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!